There's a couple of things we have to do in this problem. Let's take the first task first. It says, which of the following is equivalent to y plus 2x? So I'm just going to look at y, look at x, and add these things up exactly like it's saying to do. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to write down y. That's 2ab plus b squared. That's y. And I'm going to say 2x. Well, what is that? That's 2 times this x bit. That's 2 times 2a squared plus ab. Okay, and I'm going to add these things up. So you can think of it like elementary school addition if you want. This becomes 2ab plus b squared, right? That's the y portion. And then the x portion is this, 4a squared plus 2ab. Okay, I just distributed that 2 right here. Now, next thing we have to do is probably combine some like terms. Is there anything I can work with? Yeah, look at that. I got like terms right there. So let's rearrange this just a little bit. I have 4a squared plus 4ab. I combined those like terms plus b squared. And I wrote it this way on purpose to hopefully jog some memories that you might have of factoring. If you look down this list, we can see these are all perfect squares, either plus or minus, or at the very end, a difference of squares. Now, if you remember your factoring identities, this will be very, very quick. And the hope is that you do, because that really can save you some time. If you don't remember your factoring identities, like if you don't see this one jumping right out at you, it really should. If that's not jumping out at you, there's another way we can go through this. Okay, and I'll show you how to do that. So let me just move this stuff over here. This is important. We're going to use that because this is our answer right here, this guy. Okay, we want to hold on to that. But what I'm going to do here is just show you a little trick for figuring these guys out on the left. This one is going to be equal to a squared plus something plus 4b squared. See, I squared the left and I squared the right, and I know there's something else in the middle because this is really foiling, and that's a little more complicated than just squaring. But it's going to be a squared plus 4b squared plus something else, and I can see that does not match my answer. And the next one, if I look at that, I square the left, 4a squared plus something in the middle plus something on the right side, 4b squared. Okay, well that doesn't match either. And I can keep on going through here until I get to this fourth one down. This becomes 4a squared plus something in the middle plus b squared. Okay, and that's exactly what we're looking for. It's the only one that's going to match up.